Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we are checking out this microphone, the T-Bone RM700. We're going to start out with a produced demo track and then I'm going to show you how it sounds on acoustic guitar and different electric guitar sounds. This squirting flower that wasn't flower that blew up your nose.
That wasn't flour that blew up your nose.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the big sound.
I said skibidi doo, skibidi da, skibidi doo, ba doo doo, ba doo doo. Skibidi doo, ba doo, ba dee, ba dee doo, ba dee, ba dee, ba dee, ba dee, ba dee, ba dee, ba dee doo. I said skibidi doo, skibidi da, skibidi, skibidi, skibidi da.